We'll hit some space weather, climate and dating fiascos related to the disaster cycle and more as we begin focused on the central coronal holes. Phi-angle flip with the sun's current sheet should arrive within a day, and then the faster plasma stream from the coronal hole. Couple C-class flares from the departing sunspots on the south as well. The sunspots have not made any significant development the last day, still relatively small and not magnetically complex, including the incoming group on the north. We're going to take a quick jump to seismicity here, where a 6.8 in the Philippines was downgraded in the hours that followed, and a fairly unusual magnitude rumble in San Francisco area rattled a few hours later. Hopefully not a foreshock, but that's what it would look like. Veteran observers can golf clap this one. After years of watching the cloud uncertainties go under the radar in terms of communications regarding climate models, we see them begin to be addressed here. This is a top 3 aspect of the unreliability of climate models. You know, the ones that had them telling us 20 years ago that record cold and snow were not going to happen anymore. The antidote to the oops. Quick throwback to set up the top story today. Recall that the ice caps on the Tibetan Plateau were recently changed from being older than 500,000 years to potentially having a maximum age of 17,000 years, hinting at the struggle that dating techniques have in detailing the real history of Earth. Well, how about a mega oops in that realm when it comes to Yosemite? Previous estimates of tens of millions of years old for the features and canyons is now changed to a fraction of that amount now. Wildly wrong previous estimates, and yet another reason to take many of the dating claims about Earth's character and wonder just how deep into the trash they need to be tossed. For those new here, it seems you can presume a 10% uncertainty in carbon dating, much more when using oxygen, chlorine, or some of the other isotopes. We really don't know the history of this place at all.